Now that we have fastened the top deck board to the blocks, we're going to deactivate the locking rails and the top deck board. Leaving those out of the place by lifting down, pushing down on the lever, followed by the lever up to the second pass to pull the pallet out of the jig. You flip the pallet over. Once we flip the pallet over, we're going to disengage the air cylinders, locking the pallet back down to place, pushing it squarely and tight. You can adjust it so it's not so tight. Notice wherever there was a clinch plate, on the underside, we could see that we had curled the nails. I put more nails in there so you can see it being curled. Each of the nails have been curled wherever there's a clinch plate. Now we're going to do the assembly for the second pass. We're going to lock the locking rails on either side, which gives us our support for our bottom boards, followed by our two outside perimeter bays. And then my top deck board, or the lead board, as well. Once that's in place, we're going to go ahead and square everything all up, and then we're going to fire into the block. And there you have it. That's the completion of the pallet. Unlock your locking rails, and now you can see the pallet has been completely assembled to your standard specifications. Pull the pallet out. You can pull the pallet out, lay it on the ground, whichever way you want to pull it out, and you can drop it back on the floor. There you have it.